Hello everyone, welcome to Homes for Beginners, where I show you how to do repairs around the house yourself. In this video I will be showing you how to replace the broken shifter bezel for a John Deere STX lawn tractor. Here I have an STX 46, which isn't a hydrostatic drive. A similar procedure may also apply to other lawn tractor models as well. I couldn't find an aftermarket unit. The John Deere dealer was the only option for the replacement. If you're lucky enough, you might be able to find a used unit. However, the used units I did find online, they were as much or more with shipping than compared to a brand new replacement. There will be a total of 6 bolts underneath that are required to be removed in order to remove the shifter bezel. All are 10mm, and you'll need a ratchet for this. I have found the shifter bezel. If you are continuously having problems with the bezel breaking, an aluminum cutout might be a better option and more durable. The cover with the PTO switch and ignition switch is entirely on its own. While the bezel does go underneath it, there is a different part number and it's ordered separately. Here's a clamp. These bolts are different sizes, so don't mix them up. Each of the clamps holding onto the bezel are also a different shape, and they do have a specific location. A view of the next clamp. Once all those bolts are out, remove what's remaining of the bezel. If the bezel is still in one piece, the shifter knob will need to be removed first, and it just screws on. And finally the last clamp. The wires don't necessarily need to be disconnected, they simply pull off the connections. While I had this out, there was some corrosion on the switches, so that was cleaned up using contact cleaner, and I had some dielectric grease applied. One wire appeared to be also chewed up by a mouse, so that was fixed as well. Install the new bezel. You'll need to maneuver the wires around. There is a cutout that they fit into. Make sure they're not pinched. Install the bolts with a clamp by hand. Make sure they are straight, as the plastic is thin and you can risk breaking it. Install the 2 front clamps first and snug it into place. Test out the function of the shifter. Make sure it's able to move freely in its whole range. Install the shift knob. Reconnect the ignition switch and PTO switch. Then install the final clamp. And make sure all the clamps are tight, but don't over tighten them as you can break the bezel. Finally, you're done. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give my video a like and drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more home DIY videos. Thank you for watching.